everybody, I am Lisa, your host for today's video. So today I am going to give you a brief overview of what I have going on here in our family room for spring. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I didn't do very much. I probably did one thing in here for the most from what I see. I didn't do very much in here for spring, but I still wanted to share it with you in this video. Let's start over here in the TV area. So my bookshelves are from CB2, and what I did do that's different is actually on my bookshelf. I have these super cute decorative vases here, which are from Ross. I purchased them a couple of months ago, and yeah, and they're fitting perfectly in this space. I am a teal or cerulean fanatic, so whenever I see something in this color, I'm definitely going to grab it. So to me, this is like one of those old school like decorative objects, but hey, I like it. I like it because it's big, first of all, and it was only like $16.99. It's a little hollow here. Let me see if I can take it down. I'm taking it down. Okay, so let's see here. So yeah, it's very hollow, very light, and yeah, that's really cute. So it was $16.99, and I did purchase 2 of these. And so let me put it back up here. Looks like I have the tag still on there. I am so good for leaving price tags on stuff. It'll be a year and a day before I end up taking a tag off. But yeah, I like these. These are cute. I've always had these books up here. They've been up here like forever. These balls I usually decorate for the holidays, but you know, they're working fine for all year round. So the bigger ball is from CB2, and I think the smaller ball is from Home Goods or Ross or Burlington, one of those stores. This lantern is from Zgallerie. All my candles are from Amazon. These Ming boxes are from Zgallerie. Vase at the bottom from Zgallerie. This wall art is from Kirkland's. It was a set. These are from Hobby Lobby. You still can get your hands on these. So if you like that teal or cerulean color, you can grab you some of these from Hobby Lobby. The vase that it's in is from Zgallerie. My screen here is from Vivid Storm. And I do have a what is it, that gadget that you play the movies on? I have one of those, but I took it out for the video, but I'll put it back in and show you guys how it looked at the end. This mirror fireplace is from Wayfair. I had it forever and a day. And I have some little candle holders on the side, which are from Zgallerie. I'm a matchy type girl, so whatever I have on this bookshelf, I also have it on this bookshelf. That big ginger jar on the floor is on its way out the door. I'm kind of a little burnt out on ginger jars. I'm going to have it in my shed in a few minutes, but it's from Home Goods. The closer it gets to the door, then it'll be out the door. And so I'm going to pan on around this. So this little accent table here is from Homery. Then I have a little box here that I keep my remotes in and some little coasters here. My furniture is from Rooms to Go. All my furniture in this space is from Rooms to Go, except for the Ottomans. Those are from Ross. My lamps are from Walmart. I don't think you can get your hands on them anymore, but they are very tall. It's like those 40-inch lamps. Yeah, very tall lamps. I like that about them, and they're neutral, so you can go with any color with those. Again, my candles on the table is actually from Amazon, and this little decorative object. Here's another ginger jar that's on its way out the door. This little object here is from Zgallerie, my favorite color. And pillows. This is from Decor. This is from Home Goods. And this over here, this pillow is also from Decor, young lady over on Instagram. My water fountain is from Amazon. This wall art here is from At Home. Then these little candlestick holders, I think they call them Aspar candle holders. Those are from Zgallerie. My drapes are from Amazon. And the items that I have on my coffee table are from Zgallerie. However, these are from Pier 1. And my area rug is one of those indoor-outdoor area rugs. It's from Sam's. This wall art over here, these are from Home Goods. I wish I had 3 of them. If I had 3 of these, I probably would have 1, 2, 3 behind the couch and maybe put the mirror over here, you know, to give it a change. But I only have 2. I love it because it has the gold, the gray, and the black. And that's the actual color scheme that I kind of want in here. Gold, gray, black with the white, This mirror here is from Zgallerie. Loves, I think I saw, now Zgallerie doesn't sell it anymore, but I think I saw one similar to this on Wayfair. And if it's still available, I will link it. I think that's all that I have going on in this space. And what I have playing on the TV is actually my screen saver. I think it's gonna come back on. It should come back on. But I have a screensaver for for every season. And this is my screensaver for spring. And that way I can have my TV going on when I have my videos, and I don't have to worry about getting any copyright violations. And then as you can see, I have my outdoor space out there. We're still working on that. Still need to paint my fence out there and add my outdoor lighting. I'm excited about that project. So I mentioned this, trust in the Lord with all thy heart, with all your heart. This came from Dollar Tree, and I've had it up here for many, many years. I love it. I love it. It's one of those little murals that you stick on the wall that I love it. So yeah, this is really cute. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.